Hello everybody and welcome to Atlantic Ocean Watch on YouTube. Today's video is entitled Nice Box. We're going to be doing a very quick initial quality review of this box. This watch box holds 12 of your favorite timepieces made out of plastic, synthetic leather with stitching, and glass. It also has velvet pillows, and it comes with a little microfiber cloth for your timepieces to help keep them clean. There is a little white strap when you open the box up on the left hand side attached to the top and bottom, as you can see. That's to keep the top lid from flopping all the way back. The hinge on it does not appear to be metal, so it works, but you know, it's not a metal hinge. It doesn't appear to be metal anyway, but it does the job. Keep in mind you're going to have to unbuckle your timepieces in most cases to fit them around the velvet pillows, because the pillows are rather stiff on the ends, and so you're going to have to do that in order to put them into the watch box for display. For your oversized pieces, timepieces, as you can see there, a couple of them are touching. Keep that in mind because it's made, the box is made more for more normal size timepieces. And also when you close the lid up, just be careful. Hit that notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. So, for under $20, this is a great watch box. Watch boxes can cost a whole lot more. So for what you're getting high quality. It's a regular buckle, by the way, for the latch mechanism. Very easy to use. I'm going to go ahead and give this watch box an initial review of 5 blocks and recommend it to you. I think you'll be very pleased with this watch box. It's well built, good craftsmanship for the money, and again, for under $20, you really cannot go wrong. That girl right there surfing's pretty cool. I talked to her for a little while. Man, she can really surf. She's a really good surfer. In fact, a lot of good surfers were out there this morning. The morning I filmed this, just a bunch of really cool, awesome people at the Virginia Beach, oceanfront, Croatan Beach. So if you're ever here in Virginia Beach and you're a surfer, go hang out there. Cool place. This is definitely one of my shorter videos. I do have more watches coming soon, but in the meantime, don't forget I have a second channel called Virginia Beach Rideshare, where I talk about Uber, Lyft, and transportation, gig economy. Virginia Beach Rideshare on YouTube. I'll leave a link in the description. Thank you guys for watching Atlantic Ocean Watch on YouTube. I'm also Atlantic Ocean Watch on TikTok and Instagram. Be well.